Welcome back. If your Telegram notifications have been acting weird, maybe you're not getting alerts at the right time, or the sound and vibration settings were changed without you noticing, you can fix it in just a minute by resetting everything back to default. First, open Telegram on your phone. Then tap the menu icon in the top corner, or your profile icon if that's what you see on your device. Once the menu opens, go straight to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of your account and app preferences in one place. Inside Settings, look for Notifications and Sounds and tap it. Here you'll find all the controls for message alerts, group notifications, call sounds, in-app tones, and more. If you've customized a lot of these settings over time, it can sometimes make things confusing or stop notifications from behaving the way you expect. Now scroll all the way down until you see Reset All Notifications. Tap it, and Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm it if you want to return every notification setting to the original default. This will clear out your custom notification changes and give you a fresh start, which is especially useful if Telegram alerts are delayed, silent, too frequent, or just not working the way they should. After the reset, take a moment to check your notification preferences again. You can leave everything on default or customize only the options you actually need. For example, you might want message alerts on but group notifications quieter, or call sounds adjusted to match your routine. That's it. You've now reset your Telegram notification settings. If the app was overloaded with old changes, this simple reset can make a big difference and help Telegram feel normal again.